Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have Australia's most iconic biscuit, the Timtam. We've got the original, double coat, and white chocolate. I haven't tried these two before, but the original one was always good. And yes, I'm eating all three. And to go with Timtam, you need a hot beverage. I've got some hot chocolate with some marshmallow, which has melted, but it's somewhere in there. And of course, I'm going to do the Timtam dunk. And for any non-Australian or anyone who's not familiar with Timtam dunk, I'll show you later. There it is, guys. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Isn't it a bit odd? There's 11 in a packet. No pun intended. Oh, that's beautiful. I don't think I've had Timtam this year, so I'm pretty excited. Alright, let's go in for the original one. Alright, first bite. This is so amazing. Alright, let's try the double coat. Definitely have not had this before. Yeah, tastes exactly the same as this. It's pretty much the original one with double coating. I should have just got the caramel one. This is pretty much just double the biscuit. Right, the white Timtam. This is going to be good. Any chocolate lovers out there, or chocolate biscuit lover, you need to try Timtam if you haven't. It's one of the best. I'm pretty sure it was made in Australia. Alright guys, it's the Timtam dunk time. So what you do, take a bite at the top, bottom. Pretty simple. But then you get your hot beverage, could be coffee, hot chocolate, hot cocoa, whatever. Let it sit in there for a bit. Now it gets all gooey. Dunk a little bit more. Oh wow. That is good stuff. Alright, let's try with the white chocolate. Haven't tried the Timtam dunk with the white chocolate before, so, or the white Timtam. It's good stuff. Alright, let's just smash this down. The white chocolate is so good, but you can't look past the original. That's the OG. So you got the outer layer of the chocolate coating, then chocolate biscuit, then a chocolate cream in the middle, biscuit. Yeah, it's pretty much just chocolate all around. You guys like the cup? You really need it with a hot beverage when you eat Tim Tam. Makes it all nice and gooey. And for anyone that's wondering how many calories in a whole packet of Tim Tam, or just one. Alright, there's approximately 1,000 calories in each packet. That's good to know. I really wish I didn't read the nutrition facts for the Tim Tam. I can't believe I'm just gonna eat 3,000 calories of Tim Tam. I guess no dinner for me. But then again, we get to have Tim Tam for dinner. I'll call this the Tam Sandwich. Okay, that didn't really go to plan. I'll call this the eating the Tim Tam the normal way. Just as good, more effective. You know guys, let me reset the camera. I think it's a little bit too low. Alright, that should be better. Alright. Alright, and to try the Tam sandwich again because it's my first attempt. That was pathetic. That was slightly better. You know what? I think it will work better with one big bite. That wasn't a good idea. I don't regret it. Man, the white one. In my estimation, is about 3,000 calories for 3 of this pack, but I think it is slightly more than that. Strangely, I don't feel sick. Usually when I eat a lot of chocolate or chocolate biscuit, I get sick of it. Alright, let's try the 2 Timtam sandwich. This works much better. That's beautiful. This would have been perfect for ASMR. Nice and crunchy. Really, double coating is like not even a millimeter bigger than the original one. I've been scammed. 2 minutes ago I said I'm not feeling sick. Now I'm feeling the sweet sickness. Alright, I saved the white one last because might be my favourite. Thanks for watching, guys. One bite. All done.